Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, you talked to me into it. How about the Hangover Bowl?
Hangover bowl.
Yeah.
It's my favorite dish.
Boom, bam, boom, boom, bam. Boom, bam, boom, boom, bam. Boom, bam, boom.
Here's the Hangover Bowl at Willa Jean. Looks spicy and wonderful. Pierce the egg there. Oh, look at that. Look at all this wonderful yumminess underneath. There's the grits and these wonderful potatoes. Oh my God, let's dig in. I don't know if you can see the grits have these little crispy cracklins on top. Cheesy and salty and wonderful, and a little crispy snap from the cracklins. Oh, that's so good. Let's dig into the. Oh my goodness. There's a good bite, huh? You can taste everything individually. Oh, the meat is wonderful. So soft, so flavorful, but everything plays so well together. Potatoes are, you can see the spice on the outside. It's still nice and creamy on the inside. Oh, the potatoes rock. That's so good. See if I can get everything onto one bite here. All right, there's the bite of your dreams. Potato on the side, cheesy grits, green onions on top, some of the brisket and some of the cracklins, and oh, the egg as well. That is always the happiest bite. We can get everything yummy all together on one forkful. If I can say forkful in public. If you're not a fan of runny eggs, my advice is, get over it. Also, brisket, it's what's for breakfast. Even though I do not have a hangover, the Hangover Bowl has me feeling A-okay. This is good for what ails you. Thanks for watching.